Now that we have the receiver card plugged in, this is what our output's going to look like on the oscilloscope. My probe lead is on the green output. The oscilloscope is also attached to ground, otherwise you don't get a signal at all. Make sure that you have your correct input turned on. If you don't see a signal here, that might be why. We're going to want to zoom way out. Zoom out until you see at the top this dimension reading is 50 milliseconds. You should be able to see a big cloud of the signal at any given point in time. We're going to show you how to do fast Fourier transform setting on the oscilloscope. That will tell you what frequencies are present in your signal.
The FFT, or Fourier transform, shows the strengths of different frequencies present in a signal. Instead of a messy signal in the time domain, we see a clear representation of the frequencies in the wave.
You just press the math button here on the right, and then make sure that the operator that it demonstrates here is FFT. You can see it says span and center. In our system, we only care about the frequencies that are lower than 5 kilohertz. So let's set the center to half of that, 2.5 kilohertz. Then we can set the span to 5. This FFT here is showing us the frequencies that are present in our signal that's shown in yellow. So you can see there's a spike here, there's a spike here. If we use the cursor, we'll be able to see what those actual frequencies are. I'm going to the first peak. The smaller peak is at 3.3 kilohertz, which is our signal coming in from the laser tag gun. And then this other peak over here is not that same frequency. It's at 4.1. We've been noticing that on some of the passoff stations, sometimes you will get this noise that may be unrelated to your receiver card. So the way you can test that is by covering the photodiodes. You can see with the photodiodes covered, that signal that we were measuring goes away and this noise frequency stays there, meaning that you might just want to try it on a different passoff station.